Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we have yet another Thrunite. I just unboxed this and I've charged it. We're going to take this out tonight to do our testing. We're going to see just how good this light is. I'm going to read you some specs real quick. I'm not going to bore you with all of it. I have not used this one. I have one very similar to this. I reached out to Thrunite and I told them that since camping season's approaching, we need to do some headlight videos, and boom, here we go. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing, show you what's inside of it, read the specs, get out and do the testing, and I'm gonna come back in 3 weeks to show you guys how I feel and talk about the usage of this, tell you if I really like it or not. So 3 weeks from today, we will be back. But in the meantime, let's get started. All right, let's unbox this unit. Of course, you can see I just literally took it out of the package. Comes with a charger, comes with a clip. Now, why does it come with a clip? Well, you can take this light out. Like I said, I already have one just like this, and I love it. I can definitely attest to this light. It's not this exact one, but it's very similar. Same concept right here. You take it off, and now you have a flashlight that you could hold, or you can put the clip on. Now, I didn't put the clip on, obviously, on my other one. I'm not going to put the clip on this one because I like for the headlamp. This will be for my wife to use. Tells you when it's dead. See the blue? It's the same thing. You know, you turn it on, you hold it, it ramps up. It's very, very bright, guys. This thing is incredible, and the battery is so big that I can go a whole entire day on my work, in the attics, in crawl spaces, and this thing will last. I'm telling you, if you want a light that will last, this is your light. You can see right here, guys, that you can take it out and you can put it right back in. Super easy to put in. You just slide it in, slide it out. All right. You don't need that for sure. Comes with your little clip, which I always say not to use because I don't use those things. And of course, it comes with the manual. Now that's Spanish for manual. So let's talk about the specs real quick, and we'll get out and we'll do the testing. All right, output is 3,320 lumens, 2 minutes, 853 for 110 minutes. 1,256 lumens for 4.5 minutes, that's on high. First one was on turbo, I can't remember if I said that or not. And then it drops back down for 867 lumens for 111 minutes. Medium, 345 lumens, 5 hours, medium low, 131 for 13 hours. Now that is the one that I use a lot when I'm in the attics and stuff, or crawl spaces or whatever, because you've got 13 hours, guys. It's a whole, honestly, I work a lot of hours, and that lasts literally the whole day when I'm in attics. And yes, I'm in attics a lot, so I can vouch for this light for sure. I have tested, and this thing is, not this one, but one very similar to this. All right, anyway, low 30 lumens, 55 hours, Firefly, 0.3 lumens for 29 days, SOS, 665 lumens for 350. It will throw a distance of 170 meters. It's impact resistance, waterproof, IPX8 up to 2 meters. All right, so we already know how everything works. All right, of course, if you want to do just plain turbo, you hit it twice, boom. And if you want to do SOS, you 3 times. That is your specs of your light. Now, we are going to take this out tonight. I'm going to show you guys the high quality beam that this sucker really throws. All right, so I will see you back here. I'm going to do the light test, and in 3 weeks, I'm going to give you what I think of this light, because I want to give it time, because I'm going to be using this really heavily in attics. In the next 2 weeks, I've got a major job to do. Enough said. We're going to get out here. We're going to try this thing out. We're going to see if indeed this thing does hold up like it's supposed to. I'm not going to record any because the people's house I'm going to, they don't prefer that, and I got to respect that. So, but I will give you my honest opinion. 3 weeks. I'll see you then. Okay, we are out here. I'm at a new spot. There's a blue sign up here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. I want you to look at this blue sign. We are right at about 100 yards. So I'm gonna go ahead and shine the lowest, obviously. That is and you can probably see my hand. That is I'm about 2 foot away from the camera right now. Pretty good. Let's go ahead and beef it on up a little bit. All right, that's low. You can see the sign. Go up 1. Here's medium. Here is bright. And here's turbo. Now that's pretty crazy bright, ain't it, guys? The whole entire parking lot is literally lit up. You can see the mountainside. It's nuts. I'm sure you can tell. So you make your own mind up, guys. You tell me, what do you think? This is turbo again. It's pretty crazy bright, isn't it? I mean, that's about 100 yards, almost 100 yards, and it's insanely bright. 3 weeks. Actually, it's been a little bit longer. It's been almost 4 weeks, and I have used the crap out of this, guys. Did you like the light test? It wasn't as good as the normal ones, I guess, if you want to say good. But I think it was pretty good. I took it down there, shined the light, did great. Now, I'm going to tell you a couple of things I love about this light, especially these lights like this. They're multi-functional, obviously. You can take it off and you can have it as a, you know, a handheld light. I don't have the clip here, but you can clip it on your shirt, your pocket, whatever, and you can use that as a hands-free light if you don't want to use it on your head. What I like about these lights right here, one great thing, if you get a lot of these lights, I'm not gonna say a lot of them, some of them, that are even a better brand, when you turn these things on and you're crawling through the attic or you're crawling underneath of a house, right here, it gets to be very warm on your head. You know what, it's pretty warm today, and I've been in some attics, and like in the 80s and 90s and even up in the hundreds with the sun bearing down on it, and honestly, obviously it's been warm, but not like normal old flashes that I've had that will feel like it's gonna burn your forehead. But anyway, this thing, guys, is pretty phenomenal. I have to say, I love this light. I love all of my Thrunites, but this one here, the hands-free, when you're camping, when you're fishing on a boat, or just on a bank, catfishing, it's perfect for catfishing, right? Because you can just turn the firefly mode on, right? Boom. And now you have your work area lit up. The mosquitoes, the bugs are not going to be flying around you too much because it's an LED light, and it's not burning hot on your head, obviously. And you can see this light is pretty phenomenal. Now, I wanted to use it during turkey season, which turkey season just ended a few weeks ago, and I didn't get to go as much as I wanted to. This would have been a beautiful light to use. The other light that I have just like this is exclusively for my side jobs or my work. And I'm telling you, high quality. I'll leave a link down below, guys, if you want to check it on Amazon. It's a really high quality light. And if you guys want to see a extremely bright light, at the end of this video, there'll be a card popping up. Make sure that you smash that one, because that sucker is literally, hands down, the best one I have ever used to date for the size of it. It is crazy bright. All right, I'm in it here, guys. If you want to see what happens next, make sure you like and subscribe. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.